look at this. Where's your choice? Please this glass. What else do too? I want to close that. Okay, so I see the 2 candles. I see a cookie and a honeybee and all this. That's what we have. And see this? This is a digital thing. Okay, but that's this is on it. And then we can make all kinds of different. Daddy, you did it. Good job. I'll be excited. I'm excited too what we're gonna we are just jumping all up. What's that? What's it now? I don't know. I don't know. Here's our cover. I have in. There's a later class. Because there's a later doodle. Play-Doh. Play-Doh? Where's the candle? Oh, I got him. You got one here? No. But don't go in there. The fish for the pop. Oh, God, candles. Oh, Play-Doh. Candles. Pink and yellow candles. This is my favorite toy. Look at this. That's my favorite. A fork. No, that's not it. So let's start with this strudel. You can open my Play-Doh. The twist up. You can't put any of the bits. Okay, thank you. And we get a lot of Play-Doh. I need it. And we have a lot of Play-Doh. Get the thing. I can't open it. We have to get a lot of Play-Doh. That Play-Doh is nasty. More Play-Doh. Michael's in there. The Play-Doh goes in here, and then we just stick it in a stick. It keeps sticking. So that goes on top of there. That's how we do it. And that goes there. Where it goes? Daddy, please you can give me something to put on. You can open this. Oh, that doesn't go that way. That gates it. Mommy, stop putting you had in my face. I don't like that. Where's this go now? Yeah, I think I'll go with the push on this. Where's this gonna go? I don't know where that's gonna go. Oh, this. You can roll that. That comes a little tricky.